We are going to butter this grill up. Get some beautiful thinly sliced onions. We're going to place our meat patties here. You can see it has some nice amount of fat. You're looking at about 80-20 here. Get yourself some nice salt and smash these. Now we give these a little flip. Keep your onions on there. What is next? The cheese, of course. And go like this. After that, some delicious bacon. Grab our last patties, place them here, get ourselves some beautiful butter. We drop a piece of butter for each bun that we will be using. Grab that butter, bring it over. Let's form this nice circle of these buns that are overlapping. Come over here, butter. There we go, give it a little press. Get yourself some parchment paper. Cover it. One more. And after that, with the rolling pin, slowly, gently press this. Roll it all the way out, and then come back. All right, now buns are nice and flat. Remove that and grab them. Give them a flip. Try not to break your pattern. Perfect. Grab that. Get yourself some burger sauce. Spread it on there. Cannot forget the cheese. There we go. Get yourself some lettuce, shredded lettuce. We are using iceberg here, our favorite, nice and crunchy. So now, carefully, we will put this to the side, just in the meantime. And now it's time for assembly. So we grab our first patty twin, place it right there, just like that. Beautiful. It's here, and some fresh pickles and tomatoes. Close it up and tight. Get yourself some fries. Don't forget the fries. And now all you gotta do is enjoy.